Hello, it's me, Kimberly Martinson. I am making my weekly video. I just do this to show my face so that you guys know that there is a real person grading your stuff who has a real life. And even though there are a lot of automated features in this course that make it really work, like having announcements that post automatically and quizzes that grade automatically, I think knowing that there is a real person with real judgment behind your comments and your grades is helpful for both of us, on my end and on your end, just to know we're real people. So I'm not going to announce anything super important here, but just kind of provide some coaching. So I want to talk about what happened last week and what's coming up this week. So last week you guys did your online learning orientation, your introduction, and your goalposts. Goalposts, that's funny. And then this week you've got today discussion 1, your reading response. Tomorrow you've got your taking a stand response. Wednesday, notice that this is just kind of a begin day. These days, just so you know, you can certainly work ahead. And I hate to say this, but you can actually kind of get behind as well, because they basically they are make sure you read all the instructions announcements. So you'll click on this and you'll click on that. You click on this and it's like the same thing. So that gives you a very strong sense of what's going on. And in fact, you should consider these begin the module posts kind of like your lecture component, because the real meat of the course doesn't come through these videos. It comes through reading these documents. So make sure that you do that. Thursday, you've got your consider the context post due. So that's where you go back to your threads and you look at how you look at the extra the secondary readings. So our primary readings are the capital L literature, short stories, poems. So like in the case of one of those strands, we've got A White Heron and Anda's Game. Those are our primary texts. Our secondary texts are Killing Birds and there's two. There's another one called Anda's Game and there's another one called Gold Farming that kind of explains some of the background behind those two stories. So reading those along with reading those paired together helps us understand better, and that's what the Consider the Context post is about. Your pre-writing text on Friday is getting you prepared for what's coming up on Monday, which is your overview of Module 6, and then your rough draft is due on Monday. So kind of a lot coming up. It's sort of a slow start, and then all of a sudden you've got a rough draft due. I think you'll do just fine. I think you'll do great. I just want to encourage everyone to actually get a draft online. You'll be surprised how kind and encouraging your classmates will be. And how beneficial, if you've not been doing any writing in a long time, how very beneficial it is to just draft anything, get anything written. I wanted to say quickly, there's only a handful of you in this class. That is because this is a special section of Writing 102 that's created just for people who are in situations where there's a certain third party sponsoring you. So in several of you are with Humana. I don't know if anyone's with Red Roofing. We get a lot through those, but certainly corporate sponsors will provide the education. I think that's great, and I think that it really motivates you, and that you can really see how this is going to be beneficial for you, and it motivates me too, because I know that you've got a direct career path that you're working toward, and that makes me happy. So just thought you might want to know that and find that interesting. I'm always available via email to answer questions, although a lot of the time, since I do have a day job, it won't be until nighttime that I can actually reply, but I do read them and think about them and get back to you as quickly as possible. So let me hear from you if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the discussions.